Go.
You can't come to Cape 3 Point without visiting the lighthouse. I mean, it is there is something for that word that I always want to use it. Stop. Come to Cape 3 Point without visiting the lighthouse. So we, after moving from the Eco Lodge, the Escape 3 Point Eco Lodge, we decided to pay a visit to the lighthouse and see how it looks like, because there's been a lot of history. It has a lot of how do you call it, history behind it, and coming here, it's better we come and visit it so that we know what the whole history is.
Where?
This tip is the Cape 3 Point.
So you go all the 3 points from this tip.
Okay.
I'm saying Cape of Good Hope, South Africa. First lighthouse, and it was made in 1875. And during that time, there was no electricity or any solar panels. So they were using fire like that kind of power in this city. So they were using the fire on the top. So the whole ship can, you can see the fire on the top. Tell them that here there's a difference here, like the host here is big, so you shouldn't come closer. You need to go farther before they pass. So the ship they don't come and land here, but it just pass.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what the light is here to do the action ships. The purpose of the light is here to do the action ships. So, as I'm when you're here, I mean, you can see the ship are coming. Like, getting to here, the ship is supposed to move like this. So, it will be like this. See?
When you look at this boat, it has a lot of countries, and then the miles from here to that country. If you look at this, we have, for instance, Las Palmas. That's Las Palmas here.
Yes,
and then the number for the miles to Las Palmas is 1765. That is 1,765 miles from here. And then we have what? This is London. This is the direction. So when we are going to London, that is where we pass. Those who are asking how to walk to London, come here. The direction is here. So you pass through the coconut and go to London. And then the direction is only 3,089 miles from here. So if you want to go to London, come here, see the direction, know the miles, and then you go. So it has so many countries, so many cities. Okay, not countries rather, but so many cities. We have London, we have New York, we have Moscow, we have Rome, we have Tokyo, we have Singapore. Yeah, these are the cities on these things, and their miles. Yeah, I think that is important. So we are entering the lighthouse to see what is up there. Follow me. media. I'm not coming back again.
Over here you have 3 points here. So this is the first point. And the middle here is the second point. You also have a third point there. That is just named as a point. So where you are standing is the longest point.
Okay.
So the southernmost part of Ghana is where you
The southmost part of Ghana
is
is where we are.
Yeah, that's where the light is here to keep the ship shifts.
Okay.
Until the shift, the shifts.
Okay. So at night they put the light on.
Yeah, the light is automatic.
It comes on automatically.
Yes. It's around 6 p.m. It's on, and the 6 a.m. it's off. And here you are using solar for this light.
Oh, okay.
And there's electricity here for the workers. So we got a solar panel down there, and they have the battery inside there. We charge the panel, we charge the battery inside there, and you give the light.
So any ship from any distance can see the light.
Yes. In the daytime, the light is off because once you are here, you can see from there. They also when they are there, they can also see from here. So daytime, the light is off, but in the night, the light is on.
Yeah,
We are back again, Shanelly. So we met the amazing Stella Shanelly. Yes, it's been an amazing time with her. Yes, I love you too.
from Escape 3 Points to Cape 3 Points, and now we are going to keep 1.
Check out her travel channel. You will love it. She has amazing content.
So we are done with Cape 3 Points. Cape 3 Point what? Lighthouse. We went into the lighthouse. We checked that. Me, I was scared of the heights, honestly.
Shaking.
You have no idea. I'm
shaking.
very scared
When
of
they
heights.
pointed me, guys.
Yeah, sometimes when I'm standing on my own legs, I'm scared. Not going to that height. No, I couldn't. So I just stood there for some seconds and I came down. But the girls were, and this guy too, he was laughing. He's also so scared. So it's only the girls, the women who are able to stand there and even take drone shots.
What
we were down here.
What a man can do, a man can do better.
Once we were
What a
down
man
here,
can do, the woman did. You know.
Charlie, we give it to you. We are applauding you for that kind of bravery. But I wouldn't do it for anything. Be on that height. Yeah, we'll pay you. Even I would do anything for you to be on height for me. Yeah, so we are done checking it out, and I think it's an awesome experience, especially with the sea view. I mean, it's the most that's the beautiful spot of this place. I mean, I even like it more than the
like
the lighthouses. So yeah, I wish I could throw myself in and all that.
Come here in December, we would love it.
What happened to you?
When I came in December, the sea was splitting. You can see through from sit down.
In December. We'll come back
December.
in December.
Dry season. Just
Dry season, okay.
Love
Thanks for the
place.
tip. So in December or January?
Come here.
That is
From your tour guide.
the only tour guide in Ghana.
Ghana.
On Instagram or something, I'll just
She's saying that come during You heard
The
from
dry
her.
season.
Yeah. So
Okay.
do that.
Yeah, so see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe. Yeah.
Like.